NoSQL. Mm, in our course, we choose the MongoDB one. The reason is like there are many tools that you can try. You can try it on the MongoDB itself website, or you can install it on your computer, or even the one that we will use in this class. I'll, I'll introduce you how can we use or how can we install the MongoDB on the Google Colab. This is very convenient, I think, and you can try. You can do many things on uh, the MongoDB database. So, uh, this video is the introduction. How can you use the MongoDB one? So, uh, at first, of course, you don't know what is the SQL or NoSQL. Um, we will use the NoSQL first. This maybe is a little bit strange, but I feel like in my application, in my application, normally I work with the data analysis and and so I feel like okay, uh, at this time I I feel like okay, I just want to merge some data from outside, but normally I use just one single source data, and I feel like today database is like it's complicated. Sometimes you have uh, the structure that is like the nested one that is it's like the one that you use in the weather API in 7timer.info, the one that we use in as the example in our class. So I think it's suitable for the NoSQL. So I'll start with what is the NoSQL one. At first, the NoSQL means non-relational. You know next week in next video clip that what is the relational database, but it's not the relational database. It's not related to other one, but actually the terms not related is not directly correct. uh, not has like a strong relationship to any other table. It's like loosely coupling. If you want to use it, you can merge from data from outside, but normally we don't use that style. Or not only SQL, we have another kind. Okay, and there are four kinds of NoSQL, but the one that we always use is document based. Um, that is like the one we use in MongoDB, and one reason that I choose this one for you is it's like JSON. The you can imagine that it's like JSON object. The JSON object is like the one that you can have keys, or you don't not use that key in other document or other records, or you can have something like the nested one. So it's very easy to work with the complex and hierarchical data, and it's flexible schema. It can be like different one, and you can use different schema, different key values, and in different record. Okay, next. This one is NoSQL categories. There are four of them. The first one is the one that we will focus on this video clip. That is the document oriented. Yeah, if you have the flexible schema, you have the diverse data structure. The example is MongoDB, Amazon Document DB, The other kind, the second one is the key and values. The key values is like very common pattern that we use in today's programming languages. Like in Python, you have key values. The key values of Python is different. It's like um, you can think about key and values in the dictionary of Python. But in the data collection, like in Java, the key and values is not important as in Python. In Python, in Java, is not so important. Like Java has many issues, many aspects, but in Python, the dictionary is like very important data collection. So you may familiar with key values, the dictionary from Python. That is the way that you can store the databases. Of course, if we use the key and values, will be like fast for lookup. Okay. The examples of the key value one is Redis and Amazon, the DynamoDB, and the other one, the column family, or it's different. It's different from the record. Normally we always like use the record one, but the column family is like you can use the columns oriented. Is good for the sparse database. So uh, you can try Cassandra, Apache Cassandra, and the other one is the last one is graph. The graph, oh wow, it's like the relationship between two entities, two objects. Like it's highly connected, and so you can in some real world application you need something like this graph. For example, um, one account transfer money to other accounts, or one phone numbers make a call to another phone numbers. So this one is the NoSQL categories. Uh, and what it is a MongoDB? Of course, it is NoSQL, and it store its data in BSON or binary JSON. But when you in computer layer, it will be binary, but in our user layer, you will see all data in same style, same pattern as BSON, but the one that sorry, same style as JSON, but the BSON one is like in the computer level. When you store the data, for example, the numbers it won't be stored in like in JSON. You can see like the number stores in like string style, but in BSON the numbers will be converted into binary. Okay, and of course MongoDB is document oriented. Okay, I will pause this video at this point, and I'll talk about the MongoDB structure in the next video clip.